This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the flower shop box card. Now I have done some of the prep just so that you don't have to watch me do a lot of repetitive things. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is identify your pieces. And what I've done here with my florist sign is when this cut out, I saved the center of the O and the R and I glued them in place. But you can see here, you can still read the word without those two pieces if you don't want to work with those little pieces like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to fold this on the score lines and then put the box part of my card together. So this card is an A2. Most of mine are A7, just because you can get the pieces a little bit bigger, but this worked better as an A2. So you're going to just glue this together. Just line that right up to your score line. And then use my table to make sure I'm flat. Okay. Now this is for the sentiment. I'm going to glue this on the back. I've already layered these two pieces together. And then I'm just going to center it here on the back of the card. For the front, the first piece I'm going to put on is my florist. A fine tip bottle will come in handy with this so that you can get around your letters without too much excess glue. I'm just going to kind of use my fingers like erasers and dab that extra glue out of there. I did ink around the edges of that. So my next piece is going to be the storefront. This has to go on before your awning because your awning does go over it just a little. And you're just going to center that here. Okay. And now if you want, you can put your awning on. It's going to butt right up there to the bottom of your sign. Or if you want, leave a border. Either way will work. And I think that I want to use some foam tape for this. Oh, the other thing on my florist sign are these pink stripes. I went ahead and glued those in place. You start with the second one in, it's every other. Goes every other one. And you just want to make sure if you pop this up that you're not putting it here on these two hang over the side. So you don't want that tape hanging over the side, the glue from this. And again, I'm just gonna eyeball that. There we are. Yeah, that definitely works being, um, so this is your stoop. I'm gonna put it on first. And put your door, and this is also layered with the light blue behind the door. And then you've got your windows. And you're just going to center these here in the openings. So whatever color you make your base is going to be your trim color. I probably should have put my door on first so that I could have centered that in there, but that's okay. So then you have your flower pots. I've already glued this one in place, and then you have 3 flowers, one for each branch that's coming up. And you just going to dab some glue and put my flower on. And I think I also want to pop up my flowers. So you cannot use a whole square. The space is too small. So I'm just going to cut part of it off, put it on there. There we are. And now let's put together the second flower pot. You can see right where you glue your pot on. Then we're going to add the flowers. Oop. I'm going to pop this one. I need to cut a little bit of this off. And then we're just going to set this aside and work on the back piece. I have already put the flowers together. The piece didn't cut off all the way. Okay. So I'm going to glue the 2 side flowers on first. And then I think I'm going to use this little piece of foam tape I have left. And I'm going to pop up the center flower. And then just glue this to the center. Fold your tabs, and then we're going to pull our base in and glue this tab. Lay this down flat inside. And then we're going to take this over. We're going to put glue here on this tab. We're going to bring this over, and we are, whoops, gluing that there to this side. You will want to fold that both ways. And then we're going to put glue on this tab and close it up. And again, you do want to fold that both ways because you want to train your paper to work either way. And there is the Flower Shop box card. Thank you for joining me.